Alright, what we have here is the drum of a 4L60E transmission. A big deal they make is you have to put on some Teflon seals, which look just like this. Now, the first four that I put on ended up looking like this, because once I put them on and put the drum into the pump, a piece was hanging over. I didn't resize them, and so it pulled it down and it busted it. So as soon as I went to test the internal clutches and things, it did not operate. So I knew I had a leak. So what I came up with, I went and bought 4 more of these, which is, I paid $3.85 at a dealer for one, and then I called a transmission shop and bought 4 for $1. So they were 25 cents a piece from a transmission shop. Alright, so I pushed those on. I used a funnel. I used Vaseline. I pushed it on over it. I stretched it out up to here. This funnel's 97 cents at Walmart, so stretch it out up to here. Then I slid it down over this, which I can't do because this one's not stretched. Then I slid them in the four spots here. Well, of course they were loose again. So then I took a roll of electrical tape, I reversed it, and went around all 4 of them. And then that tightened. I let it set for about 15 minutes. And then I took the first batch of tape off, put another batch of tape on with only 1 roll over it, and then I was able to push the drum down into the pump for testing. So, and now we're going to see, I've got it at 45 psi with a rubber fitting on the end here. Get right here. Okay, the first one I'm going to test is the bottom here. You can see they're moving here. You're going to get closer. Okay, here's the first one. Oops, I'm on the top row first. So you can see it spins. Here we go. You can see it operate. By seeing that operate, you know as soon as you put it in the transmission and install it, you're not going to go to all that effort and it not work. That's going to work. So next, that one, by the way, is the 3rd one over on the pump. Can you see it with the video?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next one we're going to do is this bottom section here. And you can see it turns. All the clearances have been set. So on that one, you put it in this hole and cover up this hole. Did you get that on video? You put the air to this hole and cover up this hole. Okay. Can you see it move? Okay, that's the bottom section there. And by testing it before you ever install it in the transmission, you know it's going to work. So anyway, I'm going to post it. I hope that helps. This roll of tape is much less expensive. So we've got a $3 roll of tape, a 97-cent funnel, and of course I did use a couple extra O-rings that I wasted my time with. But now I've got them in, no cuts, everything's good. And it cost me $4 instead of the $200 expander / resizer tool.